Hello and welcome to introducing one of the most excellent image-to-text converters, the MetaLogic Screen OCR application. As you can see, our software supports more than 100 different languages, so you can translate your text into Google Translate. For the first example, let's scan the Spanish language with Ctrl+Shift+R shortcut, so you can easily select your image area, and after 1 second, here we go. With this application, there are no more images. You can't convert them to text. So trust our professional engineers. Now it's time to test our application with one of the most difficult languages. In this step, at first we should select our language to the Arabic. After that, here you are. And of course, you can easily copy the image and use it anywhere you want. And for the third and the latest example, let's choose the Russian language and convert any image to text. Our company's vision is so simple. We want to make valuable and useful software for anyone who wants to live easier. So don't forget to visit our website and purchase this amazing software. Thank you.